And here we are, look, for the Disney stuff. The rules, we like rules. Are you ready for some splishy action, Katya? Yeah. Mummy? Ish. Ish? Sasha? Splish splash action?
Dad,
yes. That's a yes. That was a yes. See you later.
Huh? Where's Mummy?
We're down with Katya in the area. She was waiting for us to go to the what area where you were, but...
Daddy, you should go.
Pretty big this place. Extremely slow chairlift, by the looks of it. Wave machine's going. God, that's slow. Gotta be quicker while walking. It's all about. Oh, it has got bottoms in it.
Huh?
Those rings there, they got bottoms on it, so Katya could do that along with Mummy. Huh? I didn't know there were bombs until I saw them from here. I thought they were just normal ones. Right, that looks like Animal Kingdom. That's the Everest Expedition. Expedition even. Yeah.
As soon as you reach the bottom, please exit by swimming to the stairs. Be careful.
Whee! Don't lose your crocodile, sweetheart.
Slide down, just like this.
Slide down and slide with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would go on, but look how far.
Yeah.
Like,
Kath is in the no way. Isn't for me, but you want to do it?
maybe.
Maybe. Ah. Anyway, I'm going to go back to Katya. And
Did you find Mum?
yeah. Yeah, was he?
That was 10.
There she goes. Let's see if we can find Sasha. He's around here somewhere. In the ski patrol training camp, probably.
Or you just went here, go.
Is he doing this bit? No. Is he doing this bit?
Well, yeah, I didn't drop the towel over. Or has he discovered this bit there? Yeah, just stop and block this stuff as well. Excuse me. Okay.
I don't think this is radical. That's what they should have. Don't when you want to like swim up there. Things like this.
Ah, and there he is. Hey, darling. The only way I could get Katya away from that one. Alright, a couple of more runs on these ones then. Here she comes.
Is the pot closing?
Whee!